Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Finding the navigation pane in Gmail is very simple once you know exactly where to look on your screen. This important sidebar is located on the far left side of your Gmail interface. It contains all of your main folders like Inbox, Starred, Sent, and Drafts. If you do not see this menu right now, it might be hidden to save extra space on your display. Look at the very top left corner of the Gmail window. You will see an icon with 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Most people call this the hamburger menu icon. Click on this icon to toggle the navigation pane visibility. Clicking it once will make the menu expand so you can clearly read all the folder labels. Clicking it again will collapse the menu into a thin strip of small icons. This layout gives you much more room to read your incoming emails. Below the main folders, you will often see a button that says More. Clicking this reveals extra categories like trash, spam, and your own custom labels. If you are looking for the navigation pane on a mobile phone, the process is very similar. Open the Gmail app and look for those same 3 lines inside the search bar at the top. Tapping them will slide the full menu out from the left side of your phone screen. On a desktop computer, you can also find a smaller side pane on the right for apps like Google Calendar. However, the primary navigation pane for your email folders always stays on the left side.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.